Good morning, everyone. I have a new product here. It's the 4-port VGA and audio switch. This will take care of all your microphone problems. If you're like me, you have multiple microphones, this can switch them. You can leave them plugged in and only use the one that you need at any particular time. And we'll get started right after this. Okay, for those of us that haven't met, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher. Now I'm a full-time YouTuber. I ran across this little 4-port audio switcher because it serves a big problem that I have. If you're a serious YouTuber like I am, you have multiple microphones, and you'd like to use certain microphones for certain situations, and then it's a pain to unplug it from the computer, go plug the other one in and everything. This way I can control up to 4 microphones, and I can switch them at the touch of a button. Now the nice thing about this unit is this is not powered, and we'll be getting into it in just a moment, but I just want to remind you to watch this video all the way through, because at the end I'm going to show you a bonus feature of what you can do with this product. So let's see, without further ado, let's get into it here. This is the product, the MK Vicky 4-port in, 1 out VGA and audio metal splitter amplifier switch, MT15 -4AV. You can see the there's the back of it, where you have 4 audio ins, 1 audio out, and also you have 4 VGA ins, and on the front 1 VGA out. Who uses VGA anymore? So if you use HDMI, I'll put a link up here, I think this corner, link to the playlist description for my HDMI camera switcher you can use if you're interested in that. But this is strictly audio. Now here's what I'm going to be using. First of all, you're going to need about a 6-foot auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter, male to male. This is going to go from the back of the unit here into your microphone input on the back of your computer. Then this is my desktop microphone. It's a Takstar PCM 1200. This is my go-to. I've had it for many years. It's a wonderful thing. You can see it's it's $22.50 plus $5 1/4 at $28, including shipping. Nice desktop microphone. Also, I'm going to be using the Boya WM4 wireless lavalier microphone. So I have the transmitter here. Here's the receiver. The receiver then will plug into the unit. Also, I'm using an Eaton. You can see the price here, $29.99. This is an Eaton. It has for both camera, and smartphone jacks. A tripod mount for a phone. and about a 20-foot extension cable. Okay. When I tried this 20-foot extension cable with the lavalier going into my smartphone, I got a lot of distortion with it. I haven't had a chance to check this with the camera yet, but I will just be using this lavalier microphone today, okay? And using the 2-prong adapter, okay, because just for the audio. Okay, next up is I also have a newer condenser mic, okay, that I'm using. So you see, I have 2 lavaliers, 1 wired, 1 wireless, okay, a newer condenser mic, okay, and then my desktop Takstar mic. Those are the 4 that I'm going to be using to set this up and show you how it works. Okay, so now we're going to go to the overhead, and we'll do the unboxing and setting up of this, and I'll take a short break, and then we'll come back, put it together, and do a side-by-side comparison on the sound, and let you know how they sound. Okay, so here's the unit, a 4-port VGA and audio switch. I'm not concerned about the VGA. I don't know why anybody would want 4 VGA inputs and 1 output. I'm sure there must be a reason somewhere, but now everybody uses HDMI, and so if you're using HDMI, remember in the link here, I'll have the playlist done. You can look up the HDMI camera switcher. Okay. Okay, VGA and audio switch, high definition display, and it's non-powered. There is no power to this unit. It gets the power off the microphone. This is an audio, it just passes it through. Okay, let's see what we got here. Little instruction book. Okay. And this is a well-built unit. It's heavy, you know, about a pound or so. Okay, you can see on the back here, here's 4 VGA inputs. I'm not using these. I'm just using the 4 audio inputs, and this is the audio out that's going to the microphone input on the back of my computer. And then I will be able to switch these by pressing the buttons. So it's not necessary that this be mounted somewhere where you can get to it. As long as you can get to these buttons, okay, you could have this hanging over the back of your desk or something, and just, you know, up like that, just as long as you could see the access the buttons. Okay. All right. Now the microphones that I'm going to be using. Okay. Here's the newer microphone. Quality mic has an XLR jack on the bottom of it. Okay. To a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Okay. Also the the audio jack cable to run from the audio out here to the microphone input on the back of my computer. Nice thing about this, I only have to set it up once. I never have to unplug anything or plug anything else in. They're all hooked up at any time, and I can just press a button and use which one I want. Okay, also, next one up is the eaten. Okay, there's the extension cable. All right. And we will this. I probably should have untwisted all this stuff before we started, but you know how that works. Best laid plans of mice and men. Okay. Okay. There we go. I can get rid of the extension cable. I do need the, this is set up, you can see the 3 rings, that's set up for a smartphone. I do need the, the 2-ring one for audio. Okay, so I will hook that up. And this would also be for a camera. Okay. Smartphone, I need the 3-ring, okay, regular audio or the camera input 2-ring. Okay, so I'll be using this lavalier microphone. Okay, my desktop mic, okay, is the one I'm using now, of course. And next up is the Boya. Okay, this comes with this is the receiver. Okay, this is the transmitter. Okay, and this goes to the line in. I forget. I think that's right. And the other one here, the other one is the line out. Okay, this is going to go to the thing, but I need the I don't need this one. This is for the smartphone. I need this one, okay, which is the 2-ring for the audio. So you turn on the transmitter here, okay, it lights up, it pairs with the receiver automatically, and you're good to go. So those are the 4 units that I'll be using here. And now I'm going to pause the tape, and I'm going to get everything all set up, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Let me take off these headphones. I don't need them anymore. I was just testing the unit. Okay, right now I am on my Takstar PCM 1200 desktop microphone. You can see how this is laid out. This is the cable that is going to the microphone input on the back of my computer. Well, in my case, it's the front of my computer, but most of you it'll be in the back of your computer. Okay. This is port number 4. That's for the newer microphone. Okay. Port number 3 here is for the lavalier microphone. You can see that I'm mic'd up here with 2 different lavaliers, okay? And number 2, this is going to the Boya receiver, okay? That's paired with the transmitter here, And now I'll let you get to hear and see what they all sound like. So right now, there's a little pop when you hit the switch, okay, because it's a contact switch, and uh, you know what you see is what you get. Okay, so this is the desktop microphone on port number 1. Okay, this is number 2. Okay, this is the wireless lavalier microphone from Boya. Okay, this is number 3. This is the wired lavalier from Eaton. And this is number 4. Okay, the newer microphone. Okay, so there's a side-by-side comparison for all of them. You only have to do this once. You leave it hooked up, okay, and you use whichever ones you want, whenever ones you want, okay. I did not make any changes to my audio driver or anything. So it's a pretty neat, slick setup. Okay. Now, excuse me. Now, as I promised you, a bonus feature for this unit. Okay. Remember, this is audio. Okay. Unlike video, audio goes both ways. Okay. So I could also use the same unit, okay, to instead of this one here going to the boy, that's that turned on this exposure, Jesus. Okay. Instead of this one here going to the microphone input to the computer, I could put this one here to the speaker output of the computer. And on here, instead of 4 microphones, I could have I have 2 desktop speakers, okay? Two complete sets, okay? One is on my desktop that I use 95% of the time. I could put this one, the speakers that are on the wall, okay? This one I could put to my, cheapo headset that I use to monitor my audio and everything. And the fourth one, I could plug in my quality headphones, my over-the-ear headphones. Okay, same principle. Okay, this unit is not powered. Okay, it just passes through the connection. Let me go back to my desktop microphone. Might sound a little bit better, seeing that I wasn't holding the newer mic. So you could also use this to switch your speakers. Okay, my desktop speakers, my wall speakers, my cheapo headset, and my Premier headset over the ear one. All 4 of these operate the exact same way. So this unit is less than $20. This unit is saving me hundreds of dollars in aggravation, so it's well worth it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Now over here I'm going to have that link to the playlist, the YouTube how to set up a YouTube studio playlist on there. There's a lot of good information in there. I appreciate it if you take a look at it. Subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notifications in your inbox for every new video I post. And you can go on that playlist and you can look at the HDMI camera switcher that I had, okay, that will switch HDMI inputs, okay. And so this is, in my estimation, is a top-notch, okay, thing. It's well built. It works well. And until next time, sayonara. This is John Bell again, thanking you for watching reviews. If you watch this on Facebook, please like it. If you've seen this on YouTube, please subscribe. And until next time, this is John Bell signing off, thanking you again.
That's all, folks.